Hi writers and happy week 2. We're wrapping up week 1 and we're slowly going to be moving into week 2. I wanted to make you guys a video. I'm in my car in Santa Barbara waiting for my kids who are in outdoor education at the Santa Barbara Zoo, and I'm sitting at the beach and it's so beautiful. But I just wanted to make you a video to kind of overview some of the material that's on Canvas in case you're wanting or needing a little bit more support and guidance with that. And then I'll be going over week 2, so you can see that as well. Let me actually turn my camera so you can see this beautiful ocean. Hopefully you can. It is insanely serene here. I'm looking out at the ocean and I'm thinking about you guys. And also, what popped into my head is the blueness of the ocean. I don't know if you've heard this, but there's been research done about the color blue and how blue is has a calming factor on us. I did hear recently in a Zen Dharma talk about how when we look out into the ocean, because of the color of the ocean and the vastness of it, as in it just goes on, it actually scientifically has been shown to calm our nerves, to kind of reset our parasympathetic nervous system. So we're out of that fight or flight. It just gives you that feeling. And so ever since I heard that, and I've heard that a few times from different teachers, I really feel that. I mentioned it to the kids when we were driving up here, so I just wanted to share that with you. Go out there and stare at the ocean. All right, jumping into Canvas. This first module, you guys have already seen it. It's the class syllabus and schedule, just introducing you into the class. Keep in mind that we have the town hall here. It's a discussion for questions and the Zoom notes from our sessions each week so that you know where it is. We have our syllabus and schedule. Please take time to print those out and scan over them so that you can see the beauty of all of the things that we'll be engaging in and really the class norms and the class setup, so you can feel comfortable with the grading categories and all that fun stuff. If you keep on going, you can see a section for Journal Keeper. I recently learned this phrase from a really cool insight timer, meditator, and journaler and podcaster. Her name is Bethany, and I'll be sharing some more of her advice about keeping a journal. And so I just wanted to put this section here because as writers, a journal is our most sacred tool for expressing ourselves with our writing in writing. So you can check that out. There's also a list of topics for writing. And so I'm going to add maybe a discussion here if anyone wants to write down a prompt for us. Some prompt that you use that you found really cool, you can add to that list as well. And then jumping into our week, we have our beginning of origins here. Week 1, as you know, is these first 3 discussions that will be locked or closed on Wednesday unless we decide to keep them open longer. Actually, the weeks 1 through 10 will stay open. I have a lockout for you guys so you can post for that first section, but then I'll reopen it every time we are going to continue to post. So keep in mind for Tell It Slant, the textbook that we're using, we're going to be engaging in those chapters for 10 weeks. And so you'll see it popping back up on the discussion or as an assignment. So as we're moving into week 2, we're going to be starting our wonderful biography titled Be Water, My Friend, The Teachings of Bruce Lee, written by his daughter, Shannon Lee. And so that is an exciting adventure that we're going to be going on starting this upcoming week. We have an excerpt of Zena Muzica's first book, Life by the Cup. She has another book out called Love in Detail that came out about a year ago. We'll be looking at her memoir, a little chunk of her memoir. And again, she's local Ojai tea maker and tea ceremony expert. And so you can also go visit her at her shop in Ojai if you're interested. And then the last one is, as I mentioned before, weeks 1 through 10, Tell It Slant. We have an additional section that we're reading. So these 3 are for week 2. As we're going a little bit deeper, keep in mind that you're doing those writing practices in your journal. Most important document that you'll have this semester is your journal. We're cultivating our writing practice because it's super important for us. I hope you're having a wonderful week 1. I hope that you have kept the image of the wishing well in your heart, in your mind, as you're navigating week 1. And I look forward to seeing you more online and in Zoom. Take good care. Bye.